How to fix Spotify playing random songs. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can fix if Spotify is playing random songs. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if Spotify is playing random songs, it means shuffle is actually turned on, right? So let's say you've been trying to play a playlist, and if you want to turn off that particular shuffle, so when you come to your library, you go to a playlist here. If you want to turn off shuffle, which is this particular icon over here, you need premium. So Spotify will not allow you to go ahead and then actually turn off shuffle without the premium. This is just really so ridiculous from my opinion. So you can tap on it, tap on explore premium if you want to. On the free version, you cannot turn off shuffle and it will keep on playing random songs. You have to deal with the ads and you have to deal with the limited number of songs that you can listen. Then tap on the get premium if you want to, then you'll be able to shuffle. This way you should be able to fix Spotify playing random songs. Bottom line is you have to turn off shuffle, and to turn off shuffle you have to get premium. Hope this video helped you understand. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.